Real talk.
First off, by taking the wig out the package, I'll put all the details of the wig on the screen. So this is the wig, this is the girl. She's nice and brown, kind of a yucky texture slightly, but yeah, this is her. She's 14 inches. It's a lace front wig. I don't have a wig head, so in order to pluck the part, I'm just gonna have to put her on my knee or something and bring y'all real close. Okay, I don't think there's really anything wrong with the part, but I think she can use a little work. I think it's just a tad bit too close, so we're gonna bring you guys closer. Okay, so I have it on my knee. I'm gonna slide this part back. I'm gonna start here so that y'all can see exactly what I'm doing. Let me zoom in. Okay, and I will try my best not to move my knee out of frame. I'm gonna grab our tweezers and we're just gonna pluck what I feel is necessary. Alright, now that the part is all nice and plucked, I'm gonna go ahead and comb out the extra hair. Y'all, I haven't really like fully applied a wig before, like wig cap and all glued down, so I really don't know what I'm doing, but I feel like I've watched a fair enough amount of videos I can do that. So this is what I have. Y'all know I cut my hair, so I really don't have to like braid anything down, but let's see how this works. If I can fit this in my head. Ooh, I look crazy. I should probably get a mirror. Okay, well I'm gonna, ow, I'm scared. All right, so I'm gonna take my Got To Be Glue spray and I'm just gonna spray this across my hairline. Alright, so now that that's on, I'm gonna get my hair dryer and I'm gonna put it on the highest heat. That's not good. Okay, whatever, it's not sticking. The only part I really need to stick is up here, so it doesn't really matter. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this off. This is gonna have to do for now. We can go ahead and cut this off. I'm gonna go ahead and take my powder. I'm gonna take this powder on a fluffy brush. I'm just gonna apply it. Okay, so the lace for this is already brown, but I'm gonna go ahead and put my makeup on it anyways. Alright, so I feel like that's good enough. This wig comes with 3 combs, 2 at the side, 1 at the back, and it comes with 2 adjustable straps at the side. I can't talk. I'm gonna go ahead and put it on. Okay, now that I see where I want it to sit, which is like exactly right there, I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of peel the wig back. And because I know where I want it to sit now. I think I'm gonna cut the lace afterwards. I need this wig cap to get it together. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with my got to be glued. My wig cap is acting up. Please don't mind her. She's being very rude. I'm just gonna go ahead and add some under the wig cap so that she can stay in her place. Okay. Back to the rest of this. Let's go ahead and apply the glue. Alright, I'm gonna go back in with a thin second coat. I'm gonna put the wig on, slide it up. Dang, I just realized that I didn't pluck the front like the baby hairs. Oh well. Alright, so I'm gonna go in with this, the scissors, and I'm just gonna okay, I'm about to go clean this up and now that the lace is cut off, but I look a mess, so okay, we have to hurry because my camera's dying, but I got it. It's not laid by any means, but I'm just gonna go ahead and take out some baby hairs because that's really all I can do at this point. I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side. Alright, I feel like that's an appropriate amount of baby hairs. Try to lay these bad boys. I might be able to lay them on camera. I might not be, I don't know. Now I'm gonna do the other side off camera. Okay, so I laid the other side. I would just like to think I finessed the crap out this wig. I'm not gonna lie to you, that lace is looking a little crusty, but I feel like I made it work, okay? Yeah, I'm really feeling this. So I'm gonna do my makeup and then I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna show y'all like the final look, my makeup done and everything. Alrighty guys, so this is the final look. I think I finessed the crap out of this wig, okay? I laid the baby hairs the way that I felt, you know, could be laid. They're not perfect, they're not amazing, but my second go around, whenever I'm like reapplying this wig, I feel like it'll be a lot better. But I think I did pretty darn good, even though it was starting to look like a fail. Okay, so I think I saved it. I think I made it look pretty nice. I'm definitely clockable with this lace right here, but it's okay. We're gonna fix it next time. I'm gonna cut more off. I love it. It looks so good. Man, this brown color on me, but especially in the sunlight, I felt like was really, really nice. You guys, go get this wig. It's really nice. It got delivered to me in about, I want to say 2 weeks, which is really good. It's nice and flowy, like she's not stiff at all. The hair is soft, good quality. It has not gotten tangled yet. Like I can run my hands through it. There's no shedding, like it's crazy. I will put the details of this hair in the description box for you guys, so make sure y'all go get this wig. You need this wig in your life, okay? It's a really, really freaking nice wig, and I will make sure to update y'all on this wig in the coming weeks. But as of right now, I trust their hair because I've worked with them before. This is not sponsored. I bought this wig with my own money, by the way. So that is all for this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and follow me on all my social media. They'll be in the description box down below. Comment what videos you'd like to see next. My last 2 videos have done pretty darn good, so go check those out. And yeah, that is all, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
I've been keeping it real talk.